Introducing the FineDine glass meal prep containers with lids, the perfect solution for keeping your food fresh and safe. Crafted from borosilicate glass, these containers won't leak chemicals into your food, giving you peace of mind. They are also airtight and leak-proof, so you can safely store messy foods and liquids. Not only are these containers versatile and convenient, but they also offer a range of benefits. Whether you're preparing meals in advance, packing snacks, or serving dips, these glass containers are perfect. They are stackable for easy storage and fit perfectly into lunchboxes, making them ideal for on the go. Meal prep and cleanup are made effortless with these containers, as they are microwave and dishwasher safe. You can easily heat your meals in the microwave without transferring to another dish, saving you time and effort. And when it comes to cleaning up, simply place them in the dishwasher for a hassle-free experience. With an ergonomic design, these containers are not only functional but also comfortable to hold. The gasket is removable, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. And with their durable and long-lasting construction, you can use them again and again. They are even freezer-safe, so you can store your meals for later. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Therefore, it is essential to check compatibility before purchasing. The FineDine glass meal prep containers with lids come in a set of 3 and have dimensions of 7 by 5.31 by 2.3 inches. They weigh 1.8 pounds and have a capacity of 850 milliliters. The ASIN number for this product is B0722CY615, and the item model number is FDG101. With 4.7 customer reviews and a bestseller rank of number 16,613 in kitchen and dining, these containers are trusted and loved by many. Invest in the FineDine glass meal prep containers with lids today and enjoy the benefits of safe and convenient food storage.